Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, today I'm really excited to share with you something that I always look for during Christmas season, and it is these fantastic packages that come together in the makeup world. Sometimes they're like Sephora favorites where it's a little of this and a little of that, but sometimes there's these brands that come out with products that are in like booklets. So on the higher end side, the Cosmetic one, I usually purchase it, and it's something that I enjoy because it has the bronzers, it has the highlighters, it has blushes, it has eyeshadows, everything in a one convenient little booklet. And it's nice when you are getting ready in a hurry, when everything is all in one area, or if you travel a lot like I do, it is something that comes in very handy. The one that I saw this year that, and I have one from last year here that I'm going to share with you because it's still available too. So I don't want to get ahead of myself. I want to make sure that I give you all the information. I always share with you when I get a deal, or if I look for something and I end up getting it and it ends up being something that I think you should know about, or maybe you should pass on. This one was one that I saw on their Instagram that they were coming out with, and I think it is an exclusive to Target, because through all my research and everything that I did, I was only able to find it on Target, and it was only available Target online. So what I'm talking about is Physicians Formula. And this is called the Physicians Formula Butter Holi-Fame. I'm looking down because that's where all my notes are. The Holi-Fame collection. This whole collection was $24.99. At the time that I ordered this, Target had a deal going on within the makeup area that if you spent more than $20, they would give you $5 back in a Target gift card, and then they put it automatically into your wallet when the product ships. Like I mentioned, this is only currently available online, and that is exactly what I ended up doing. Those deals come up often with Target. Sometimes it's in home goods, sometimes it's in personal stuff, and sometimes it's in makeup where they have that $20 with the $5 back. It just happened to be the week that I ended up purchasing this, that deal was going on that week. So I got really lucky. So at the end of the day, this was $24.99. It was free shipped to my door with Target. And then there's $5 card that comes either in the mail, you can choose, or they put it directly into what they call the wallet, which is when you have a Target credit card like I do, you also get a percentage back there. On top of it, I went through Rakuten first, so I'm gonna get a percentage back on my sale for that as well. So if you're part of the Rakuten, make sure to go into that first and then type in Target, because Target is also part of Rakuten. If you're not part of Rakuten yet, I do have that link down below, that if you spend $30 within the 90 days of hitting my link and signing up, you will automatically get $30, and I will get $30 added to your check at the end of the quarter. So it's no fees, no anything. And thank you to everybody who has written to me that you use my link and that you've already gotten your money, and it's been fantastic. So I thank so many people that use the link. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'm so happy that you're able to learn about it through me and also get that $30 too. So like I said, I will leave that link down below. But let me share with you about this, because this is an absolute find. And the one that I got last year is completely different, and it has more products in it. So it's whatever you want, whichever suits your needs is fantastic. Like I said, this one was available on Target. The other one I got is available on Amazon. And before I sat down, I made sure to get the link for that as well, the Amazon one, and I will leave that link down below because I do have an affiliate link with Amazon. So if you're interested in the one that we're gonna go through second, then that one you'll be able to purchase through that link as well. So really excited to be able to share all this with you. So this one here, which is brand new, this is the one that's at Target. And this one says it is a 38-piece makeup palette. It has the Murmurro Butter Makeup Collection that includes 8 bronzers, 6 blushes, 24 colorful eyeshadows, all conveniently packed in a foldable palette that you can travel with. It is nourishing and moisturizing. It's made with a blend of Murmurro butter, capucha butter, and tucumu butter from the nutrient-rich Amazons. This makeup is packed with essential fatty acids and provitamins that soften and condition and moisturize your skin. It will give you a smooth application whether you use a makeup brush or even just your fingers. I've never tried it with my fingers. I've only used brushes. And this one says it glides on with ease, seamlessly blends into your skin for the attractive all-day coverage. They're saying it's also made for sensitive skin. Physicians Formula makeup is specifically formulated with your skin's health and comfort in mind. That's why we use high quality ingredients that leave you looking and feeling beautiful from the inside and out. Cruelty-free brand for all Physician Formula, from their foundations to their eye makeup to their lipsticks and other cosmetics. They're always cruelty-free and never tested on animals. So I'm going to go through this, but I'm going to show you also. This is what you're used to usually seeing from a Physician's Formula. I have it in a few shades, but the shade that I gravitate to the most is the deeper one, and that is this one here. When I initially went into Physician's Formula, a lot of their colors were really geared to more fair skin, but they are just stunning. This one here is the color that I use when I'm putting this on, and if they're very scented, so it's like a coconutty tropical scent. So if you don't like scented products, then Physician Formula is one that is not for you, but I enjoy the scent. This one is a deep bronzer. That's what this color is here. I'll leave a little bit on my hand here, and I'm really, really impressed with this brand. You would not think that this was a drugstore brand. It really behaves like a higher end brand, but it is a more expensive brand at the drugstore. So when you get these type of deals for this much product, it is an absolutely win-win. So this is the product, like I said here. This is how thick it is. It is weighty. It has a magnetic closure here, and it has the names of the products on the back of the package here. So when you open it up, it has a safety shield that's on here, and these are the beautiful, beautiful color of all of the bronzers. You have everything from the warms to the deep, to ones that if they're a little more gray toned, then you can use those as contours. I think they're absolutely stunning, and I love getting books like this so you can play. So then that is the first section here. The next section that's in here on the other side is your butter blushes. I'm too excited. So this one has from your pinks to your browns to your neutrals. It is just stunning. And the color payoff on this is the exact same as the bronzer that I just showed you here. And the safety shields that are in here are really thick, heavy duty safety shields. And then in the middle, in the middle one here, it is the eyeshadows, and they are stunning. They are very rich. They are very jewel tones, as well as you have enough neutrals. So when you take this palette, you have everything at your access. So we have the gorgeous blushes, you have the middle, you have all the eyeshadows, and then on the other end, you have all of the bronzers. And it folds up into itself, and it closes with the metallic closure. So really, really excited about that. So that is what is right now the hottest, the newest, that is available at Target. What I want to share with you is the one that I got last year. This one came in this box here, and this because I have it sitting up in my shelf area. I remembered getting it, but I never remembered playing with it. This is called the Ultimate, and it is the Murmurro Butter Collection. This has 58 shades, and it's a limited edition set. With that said, I went on to Amazon and I was able to find it. It is $24.99 now, which is a great deal also. But this is what this one looks like. So this one is a little bit thicker, a lot thicker. This is the one that is here like this. And this has only the bronzers, the blushes, and the eyeshadows. But if you want everything, and I mean everything, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you how this one is so compact compared to what is in here, even though it looks like a book. It is a hard plastic shell, but this was such a find for me then. And ever since I knew that they were doing stuff like this, I figured I would continue to look at this, because I did give this as gifts the previous year because I thought it was such a win. So inside here, we have an entire side that is also all the bronzers, and an entire side that has all of the eyeshadows. there's such a glare, I apologize. So there's all your bronzers, and there's all your eyeshadows. Up close, okay? Then with this one, how it works is you slide. And when you slide here, you get the next set of products. And on here, this is all of their highlighters. They have a bit of shimmer to them. And then you continue to pull. And on this one here, when you lift this up, it is a full mirror, okay? Then we'll go to the other side. And on this one here, when you pull, you have all of your blushes. So the blushes in the other one that I showed you are a little bit bigger. They're all like this size, but this you also have the same amount of colors that are here in this one. And then when you pull again, you get all of these lipstick shades. So this one I think is fantastic too. And this kit is the exact same price as the other one. So it really depends on what your needs are, but I think this is an absolute steal. This is fantastic. Like I said, I will leave the link to this one through the Amazon, so you'll get directly to this product down below. And like I said, I think it's an affiliate link, but it's just to keep the link alive with Amazon. Is if you use it, it keeps my link going. The percentage that you get paid from Amazon is very, very minor. But this is on the back of the packaging. This also comes with the box, where the other one doesn't. It came in the Target box directly like this. So this one's available at Target, and this one is available at Amazon. And that's everything that I have to share with you today. So as you know, when I have the opportunity to find things and enjoy things, I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. And please share with me in the comments down below if you even knew about this fantastic new launch, or if in the previous year you picked up this one as well. So like I said, I love when you guys share with me in the comments down below, and I love the opportunity to share with you when I have these fantastic finds that I find. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next video. I also will leave that Rakuten link up on top, but all of my links are always in alphabetical order at the bottom of my description box. For every box, for everything that I get discount codes or I get promo codes or anything like that, those are all in alphabetical order. You just have to scroll all the way down. But I will move the Rakuten one up on top, as well as the link for the Amazon one for this. I'll move it up on top to be able to share it with you guys. And like I said, with Rakuten, it's a fantastic, fantastic deal. I cannot believe that that link is still alive, where you guys can get $30 and I get $30 if you spend $30 within 90 days. And it doesn't have to be all on one website. It's whatever purchases you make, as long as those purchases at the end of the quarter equal more than $30, then you will get that additional $30. There are no fees with Rakuten. It is simply a cash back. And I've been using it for years, way before I had a channel. So happy that I have the opportunity to share that with you as well. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.